Saddle up for a flavor adventure with Devils on Horseback, a bite-sized appetizer of dates stuffed with blue cheese and wrapped in bacon. Just like a potato chip, you can't eat just one. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about an appetizer. We're making Devils on Horseback. So you're probably wondering, what is a devil on a horseback? Devils on Horseback is a really delicious little bite-sized appetizer. They are sweet, savory, sometimes a little spicy. They were popular back in the day in the 60s and 70s, and then they kind of fell out of fashion, but they deserve a comeback. The first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Next, prepare the pan you're going to use. I have here a nice little sheet pan, and I've lined it with foil, and I have a rack in it. I did that because this is going to help me with cleanup from the foil, and the rack will allow air flow and drainage. All right, this starts out with dates. Here are mine, pitted dates. You get these in the produce section with the dried fruit in your grocery store. This is a very sweet dried fruit, usually from the Middle East. Now there are different varieties. There's one called medjool dates, but they're very, very big, so you don't want those. Here are mine. I just took 12 out, and you see they're nice and bite size. We need to slice these open so we can stuff them. I'll show you how I did it. You want to be careful and not cut it all the way in half. You're just going to slice it down one side so you can open it up and stuff it. You take your date, sharp little knife, and you just go right down, and then you can open and see it's not cut all the way into two pieces. I'll do another one. Nice little date, sharp little knife, right down. There we go. Now I said we need to stuff them with something, and today we're going to use blue cheese. Here's mine. I have 4 ounces, 113 grams, thereabouts. This is just my favorite blue cheese that I picked up. You can use any variety. You can use a Danish blue, a Roquefort, a Stilton, whatever you like or whatever you can get. Now all we're going to do is we're going to cut small pieces off, and we're going to take a date, and you're going to stuff the cheese right in the date. How easy. I'll do another one. Little date. Little hunk of blue cheese. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these. All right, our dates are all stuffed. We'll put our blue cheese aside. Now, the best part, we need to wrap them in bacon. I have some bacon here. This is 6 slices of center cut bacon that I just cut in half. I like the center cut because it doesn't have the fat on the ends of it. You take a nice strip of bacon and a date, and you just roll it up. Just like that, seam side down, right in your little pan. I'll do another one. Bacon, a date. Now, if you wanted to make this devilish, you could at this point brush them with some hot sauce or sprinkle some cayenne pepper over it. Some people do. I like to sometimes make a spicy dipping sauce. But today we'll make them just like this. I'll keep going. Here we are, all ready for the oven. Now remember, we're going to roast these off at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the bacon is at your desired crispiness, so keep an eye on them. So off to the oven. Here we are out of the oven. Look how beautiful they are. Now, while these were cooling, I put some toothpicks in them. It took me about 25 minutes today. My oven was running a little hotter than normal, but keep an eye on them. Could be 20 minutes in your oven or 25 or a little more, because your oven is different than mine. Now, these are warm. You can serve these warm, room temperature, whatever you like. But enough talk. Let's get to the tasting. I'm going to steal this one right here. Here now, look how beautiful that is. Oh yeah. Sweet, tangy, salty from the bacon, smoky from the bacon. And that blue cheese stands up to all of it. It has its own little tang and funkiness in there. It's wonderful. But you know, kind of a little more devil. I whipped up this little dipping sauce. Yeah, maybe some hot sauce and Tabasco, a little horseradish, a little mayonnaise. Let's give a little dip. Oh. Yeah, that's amazing. If you choose to add some heat to it, it's just a whole new world of flavor. The tangy and the sweet balance out the heat, the spice from the hot sauce and the horseradish. Wow, wonderful. I need to wash them down. Now we're having a little cocktail hour later, so today I'm having a Manhattan. Cheers. All right, if you like this episode and you'd like this recipe in your inbox, then sign up for our newsletter. And remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every week. Now, I'm going to go plate these up and serve them to my company later. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.